In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a specific portion of your drawing to a new file in AutoCAD. We're going to take just the part of your drawing you need and move it into a clean, separate file. This is great for sharing details, creating focused sheets, or trimming down a massive project without changing the original. Start by selecting the objects you want to keep. Use a window selection if you want only objects completely inside the rectangle you draw. Use a crossing selection if you want to grab anything the rectangle touches, even if it's only partially inside. Take your time here, zoom in, pan around, and make sure you've captured exactly what you want. If you grab something by mistake, deselect it so your new file stays clean and purposeful. Next, copy with a base point. Type copy base and press enter. AutoCAD will ask for a base point. This is critical because it controls where your selection will land in the new drawing. Pick something meaningful like a corner of a building, a grid intersection, or simply type 0-beamed arrow to use the drawing's origin as your anchor. Choosing a consistent base point makes placement accurate later, especially if you ever need to align multiple drawings. Now create a new drawing. Press Ctrl+N or type new and press enter. If you're prompted for a template, go with your standard one, so your layers, line types, and units behave as expected. You'll now be in a fresh, empty drawing. Paste the objects you copied, type PasteClip and press enter. Click to place your selection, or if you used 0 now as your base point earlier, type 0.0 now to drop it precisely at the origin. Because you used copy base, everything comes in exactly relative to that base point. Your layers, blocks, and properties from the original selection will come along with the objects, so the look and behavior should remain consistent. Finally, save the file. Click Save, choose a clear folder location, and give the file a descriptive name that tells others what it contains. If you're sharing with someone on an older version of AutoCAD, use Save As to select the appropriate DWG format so they can open it without issues. That's it. By carefully selecting your objects, using copy base to define a reliable base point, creating a new drawing, and pasting with PasteClip, you've created a clean, focused file from a larger project while keeping everything aligned and organized.